Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a glam Christmas skull. So we're going to be using green glitter and turning ourselves into a half skull, half makeup glam kind of thing. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette by Morphe Cosmetics, and his is his collaboration. I'm sure you guys have all heard about it by now because it's been very, very anticipated. Finally got it in the mail and I'm excited to use it. So this isn't going to be a first impression or review on this palette because I want to do that as a separate video, but unfortunately I'm in the middle of my Christmas series, so I don't really want to just throw in a random review video in the middle of all of the fun Christmas looks. So that is to come following the Christmas series, so that my review will probably go up in January. So it'll be pretty late, but whatever. So for today's video, we're gonna do a smoky eye, just a neutral eye look on this side, and we're gonna do a glam Christmas skull on this side. So there is a photo that I found on Pinterest that I really liked. It looks like this, and I will link it right here for you guys. So I'm going to more or less recreate it, and hopefully I can make it look really cool. So I'm gonna go in with some neutral color. So in my crease, I am gonna go in with the color, Mary. So it's this kind of brown color, and I'm just gonna put that all into my crease. Now on the inside, I'm gonna go in with the color Tea, kind of like a gray brown color, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And then on the outer corners, I'm gonna go in with the color Spooky, so it's black. All right, and now on this side of the eye, so I'm gonna go in with a small brush like this, and I am gonna go in with the gold that's in this palette. So it is the color Wig, and it's this really pretty gold shimmer color. So I'm just going to get my whole brush coated in that color, and then I'm going to spray it with my setting spray, and I'm just gonna go over my lid. So on this side is now the green. So I want to do the green first. So I have my NYX glitter glue, and I have a green pigment by I say pigment, but it's actually a glitter. I have a green Fallout glitter. I have a green loose glitter. I'm gonna go in with the Gemini palette and use the color Goals and just make the other side of it a shimmery kind of green as well. And now I am gonna go in and I'm going to do all of my face makeup really quickly, and then we can start drawing in this glam skull. All right, so after looking at the photo, I realized that her eye is more black on the outer corners where I put that olive green. So I'm gonna go back in with Spooky, and I'm just going to make the outer corners completely black. I think I'm gonna go into the Gemini palette because there's a black in that palette that I really like called Bonnie, and it's absolutely so pigmented. Doing underneath the eyes, so her under eyes are black. So I'm gonna go in using Bonnie from Gemini palette, and I'm just going to smoke out my under eyes with the black. So now I'm gonna go in with the glitter glue, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I did with the green glitter, and I'm gonna put the green glitter on the inner corner. Oh, I forgot I have this pigment. I've had this pigment for years. It's by the company Micabella, and it's this gold shimmery pigment. It's a loose pigment, but it's complete sparkle, and this used to be the eyeshadow that I wore like constantly when I didn't do makeup and had no idea what I was doing with makeup. So I'm gonna go in with my Micabella pigment on a very small brush, and I am going to wet it, and then I'm gonna go right over top of where I originally put the gold down. And then I'm gonna put that in the inner corners and underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with a small blending brush and I'm just going to blend some of this black in. She has glitter brows, so I'm going to go in with my glitter glue and I'm going to put it on this brow. And back in with my green glitter. That's a look. So let's do the nose. So I am going to be using Mineron's body paint, and I'm using just a black body paint. It's water activated, so I'm going to go in with a very fine definer brush. So I'm going to go in with a black liner, and I'm just going to draw where I want the tip to be. And the nice thing about body paint is it comes off relatively easy. So if you make a mistake, you can just go in with a Q-tip and then you'll just have to go back in with a little bit of concealer or foundation after and just fix the area that you wiped off. So now in her look, she has kind of like a triangle going over top of it. So I'm just gonna leave that part out. It's not gonna happen. All right, so once your nose is to the shape that you like it, just go in with the glitter primer again and just put the glitter primer on the bottom part of your nose. And then anywhere that you just put the primer down, you're gonna wanna go in with green glitter. So the glitter is only going to stick in the places you laid down the glitter primer, so that's where I left that off. And now I'm going to go in and do the mouth portion. So she has half of her mouth is a skeleton mouth and the rest of it is Glam. So we're going to go in and we're going to draw, I'm going to draw a line right here. And then have it go down. And then she has another line. Yes, I did it all for love. I think that's too high. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna fill in all of the spaces with glitter. So I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools. And now just go back in with your liner or your paint and just make the lines a little bit more defined. And now I'm going to go in with kind of a very dark shadow, and I'm just going to make my cheekbone on this side more dark. So I'm going to go in with a fiber brush and my... And now I'm going to go into my highlight and sculpting palette, and I'm going to go into the darkest color. And I'm going to go in with my normal brush. And I'm just going to blend that in. And then I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the black. I need to throw on some lashes. Alright, so now the last thing that I need to do is throw on some waterliner. And now I need to give this skull a wicked highlight. So I'm gonna go into the Physicians Formula highlight. I'm going to highlight my high point. And now we need to go in with a liquid lipstick on this side. So I think I'm gonna go in with the color LSCL03 by NYX. So it's this really pretty vampy red lipstick. Just so we have it on one side. And now I'm gonna go grab a green wig and throw in one contact on this side, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished kind of glam skull look. So this is the finished look. So it's not as amazing as other looks that I've done. I don't know, it's not that great of a job in my opinion, but I really wanted to try it. I think it was really fun. I'm not an expert at special effects, I'm not an expert at makeup, and I'm definitely not an expert at body paint, and I don't know how to do a skull to save my life, but I really wanted to try it, and the picture that I saw it looked fairly easy, and I just kind of followed what she did, and mine isn't as amazing as hers, but I really wanted to try it. So I will link her video down below for you guys, so in case you guys are interested and want to see what the actual good photo looks like. But this was just me playing around with some makeup and glitter, and really wanted to make a fun look out of it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!